Hi, I'm Sean with Ikan, and we're at InfoComm 2022. I want to talk to you a little bit about our all-in-one turnkey solutions. So basically, you buy these and they work right out of the box. That includes your teleprompter, your camera, your fluid head, your pedestal, and your dolly. And in this case, it comes with a travel kit as well. This comes with hard cases and with a custom cut foam, and it also comes with carrying bag for the dolly and tripod. So this one comes with a 12-inch teleprompter. It comes with a NDI HX2 box camera with 20x zoom that zooms up to 90, I believe it's 97 millimeters. And this one does PoE as well. The pedestal here is height adjustable. And if you come around here, I'll show you how our PT foot pedal works. So this is basically to control the script. If you click with this one here on the left to start it up, and then you can see it's up here. You can click it to slow it down, speed it up. If you stop it, you can also just rewind. If you see here, you can do a quick rewind, quick fast forward, start it up again. So that wraps it up for this bundle here. This is the PT4200-PEDESTAL-OTTICA-BOX-TK. So that's going to be a travel kit with everything that comes here. So if you want more information, visit us at icancorp.com. Thank you.